Hey guys, it's Miss Austin here. This video is for my 7th period class for Wednesday, the 12th. I'm sorry I had to leave early, but today's notes are over reflections. And some of this I know I go through fairly quickly, but you can get Miss Dean or Miss B to pause or replay the video if you need. So the first thing we have for a reflection, notice it's got the FL. That FL reminds us that a reflection is a flip. So what you need to fill in here is a type of transformation in which a figure flips over a given line, which is called the line of reflection. Think of a reflection like you do a mirror. A reflection is just a mirror image over a given line. Now, the two lines we're going to look at would be your x-axis and your y-axis. So first, we're going to look at reflecting over the x. If it helps you, draw a line on your axis so that you can visualize when I flip, if I'm above the x-axis, I will now be below. So the way it works is it's the same distance away, meaning like for point A, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 above my line of a reflection. So it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 below. So it's the same distance above and below that line. Point B is 1, 2, 3 above. So it is 1, 2, 3 below. Remember to put your prime notation mark so you know which one is the new image. Now, point C is sitting on the line, so it's not going to have any distance above or below. It's going to stay right there. We connect the dots to make our image of our triangle ABC. And what we're going to look at is what happened here. So we're going to look at the change to ABC prime. So the original point A was at 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2, 4. The original point B was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up 1, 2, 3. And point C was at 1, 0. That's the original location of our pre-image. Now let's look at what happened after we reflected. A prime is now at 2, -4. B prime is at 5, -3. And C prime is still at 1, 0. So to determine the rule here, we need to look and see what changed. Well, if you look at your first set of numbers, your x values, those didn't change. So the rule here is that x doesn't change. But the y values, the second number, changed from positive to negative. Now the 0 can't change. It doesn't have a positive or negative value. So the way we write this rule, and this sign right here doesn't mean it has to be negative. It means opposite. So it means whatever the sign is currently here, you flip it to the opposite sign. Now, since we reflected over the x doesn't change. It's the other axis that changes. So when we reflect over x, we change the sign of y. So if you want to write that on the sign, flip over x, change y. That'll be your reminder.